Activity Factory.
This is a song-based lesson plan for online teaching. However, it can be modified for face-to-face classes as well. For this activity, we are using free Mixkit stock videos and music. For detailed instructions PDF, and free downloadable materials, check the links in the video description. Step-by-step lesson plan. Step 1, 5 minutes. Show the first slide and ask the questions.
Who is the woman? Where is she? What is she doing? When is this happening? How is she feeling? Why?
Step 2, 5 to 7 minutes. Show the second slide with the 3 videos, and the 3 music pieces. Students match the videos with the music pieces individually, and prepare to explain their choices to a partner. Share the link to the Google Forms for them to answer. Step 3, 5 minutes. In pairs or small groups, breakout rooms, students compare their answers and explain their reasons. Step 4, 10 minutes. Show the results of the match in the Google Forms summary and give students some time to look at it. Ask a student to talk about the answers, and have other students explain their choices. Have a mini discussion. Step 5, 10 to 15 minutes. Show the third slide with the 3 song templates with blanks in the lyrics. In small groups, breakout rooms, students work together to write lyrics for one of the music pieces. They'll do this with the help of the template. Students choose one, based on the correspondent video in step 2. They should also create a title for the song, and match the lyrics to the rhythm of the music piece they chose. Later, they can sing it for the class. Step 6, 10 minutes. Share the link to the collaborative Google Doc with the pics of the videos, and the designated space for the groups. The groups paste the songs they created in their designated space. Step 7, 10 minutes. Students read or sing their songs and explain the story behind it. Have a vote on the student's favorite song. Step 8, homework. Students connect the 3 videos to write a story similar to the Cambridge English First for Schools exam. Watch these videos for more awesome activities. Subscribe to our channel. Visit songactivityfactory.com. Thank you for watching.